Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. First, let's get our wet ingredients ready. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Then, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and beat the mixture until it's light and fluffy. Next, incorporate 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully mixed in. Finish this step by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the flour mixture. Once combined, gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture. Mix until everything is just combined, being careful not to overmix the dough, which can make cookies tough. This is where the oatmeal chocolate chip magic happens. Gently fold 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats into your cookie dough. After the oats are mostly incorporated, add 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. Mix until the oats and chips are evenly distributed throughout the dough. For the best texture and flavor, I recommend chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the sheets for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Oatmeal water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.